to our channel, Famlit 5, where we show you how you can support the literacy development of your children and family in 5 minutes or less. Did you know that singing songs, playing games, and getting chores done can help build your family's literacy skills? Or that you are your child's first and best teacher? Join us as we explore how everyday tasks and materials can be used to build literacy skills and have fun together as a family. Come with us as we take a Famlit 5.
Hi friends, welcome to Famlit 5. Let's talk about dynamics. Dynamics refer to how loud or quiet a sound is. Dynamics can add expression and emotion. The musical term for quiet is piano, just like the instrument. And the musical term for loud is forte. So learning through opposites like piano and forte, high, low, fast, and slow can all be a great way for children to understand these concepts. Understanding these concepts is important so that children can be successful with listening, speaking, reading, writing, and math. Using animal sounds is a great way to play with language and dynamics at the same time. Young children can often make the sound that an animal makes before they can even speak the name of the animal. So that can give them confidence and encourage further language development. Let's play a game with dynamics. I will name an animal, and you can decide whether that animal is quiet or piano, or loud forte. For our song, I'm just going to use the terms loud and quiet, as some of our younger learners might still not be familiar with these concepts. But if you have an older child, a preschooler or even older, they can definitely learn the terms piano and forte, and they're great for building for their vocabulary. Okay, so let's start with a mouse. So is a mouse a quiet? Do they make a quiet sound or do they make a loud sound? You're right. They make a quiet sound. So let's sing our song quietly. This is the way the mouse squeaks, the mouse squeaks, the mouse squeaks. This is the way the mouse squeaks so quietly today. What about a cow? Does a cow make a loud sound or a quiet sound? Yeah, I think they make a loud moo. Let's do it. This is the way the cow moos, the cow moos, the cow moos. This is the way the cow moos so loudly today. Good job. Let's do one more animal. What about a dog? Do they make a loud sound or a quiet sound? Yeah, I think they bark pretty loudly. My dog barks pretty loudly. Let's do a loud bark. This is the way the dog barks, the dog barks, the dog barks. This is the way the dog barks so loudly today. So you can replicate this activity at home by using visuals that you have around the house. So maybe a book with animals in it, or maybe you have some photos of animals. But what I have done is I just found some clip art on the internet and I put it into a document and then I printed it. So I printed 2 copies so that I could use it also as a matching game later. But what I would do is I would pick an animal and ask my child, what animal is this? What kind of sound do they make? Is it loud or is it quiet? And then you can sing the song with the animals. So for more animal fun at home, you can check out the activity Animal Memory on our Flit app. And remember, you are your child's first and most important teacher. See you next time.
Are you looking for more ideas? Then download our free app and check out recipes, games, crafts, and more. Explore over 100 activities, or check out our list of staff favorites. Build your child's literacy skills at any age, all while having fun together. Flit, families learning and interacting together.